Friends, how are you? Today we are going to draw a cockatoo from the number 2. Let's start. We draw number 2 first. Let's extension here. And do the little detailing of the feather. Connect another line here. This is actually the wings. We can draw another circle like this. This is the head actually. We are putting an eyes here, doing the detailing of the eyes and the head. It's looking forward. Alright, the bird is sitting on a branch. Let's put some shades here. Let's put a leaf here. It looks really nice. We can draw some lines like this to put the bird in a framing. The more detailing we do, the more it looks good. You can put some dots like this. I hope you guys like the video. Keep practicing it your home and you can draw better and better every day. Please subscribe my channel for new updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.